Understand?
Hello guys, welcome once again to Careless Media. If you're just joining us for the first time, you are welcome, and if you've been with us all the way, you are also welcome. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and also tell me what you think about it via the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that you get all the gbedu as they hot via this channel. No be small wahala for Portable. Just few hours upon his arrival from USA to Nigeria, this guy has started getting himself into one problem to another. In this video, Portable was actually in Ogun State, and I don't know what actually happened, but he was involved in a serious accident, and according to him, it was caused by a bad road. But Portable now, this guy they ever there on clear motion. He's always maybe on colos and all of that. Now maybe now why where him go enter inside get this kind of wahala where him stay inside right now. In this video, Portable actually ran into a gutter, and I don't know how this managed. You will see him with his expensive car inside the gutter. I mean, this is actually very, very alarming for a person of Portable without a security personnel in that kind of place, guy. I mean, this place looks so deserted, and Portable happens to be there without any security personnel at all. I mean, Portable actually spent much more than 5 hours in this particular place. He was, left. I mean, this place looks so deserted, and this guy did not even fear at all whether, security challenges and all of that. This guy doesn't know that he's actually a global celebrity. I don't know what Portable thinks of himself sometimes. Although we know that Portable always brings himself very, very low to the neighborhood, and he's more like of a social person. I don't know if I should call it social, but how Portable does these things now. He never leaves the hood for 1 second. And Portable has been there for a very long time trying to rescue his car, but all efforts was to no avail. And neighbors, actually people gathered, and they were surprised at what actually happened. I mean, what if Portable had actually fallen into that place with his car? I mean, this would have been a very, very bad news, in totally for Portable. I mean, this guy just came back from America. He's not even been long. He came back, and all of a sudden this is happening to him. I mean, this is really, really sad for Portable. This is really, really bad, guys. I mean, he left America, and then he's here in Nigeria, and he's already facing these kind of challenges. I mean, this is very, very bad. We look at how he bashed his Range Rover in that kind of place, and this car is going to retain series of damages and all of that, and it's not that good. I mean, this actually blamed on the government. Let me allow you to watch the video, guys, and see what actually happened. See how Portable actually suffered in this video. And also, don't forget to like this video. Tell me what you think about it, guys. Subscribe as well, and I'll be back with the rest of the video.
Understand? Any toleration of who allow understand? Lato mo border Benin Republic wo de sango ta baba camera mi. Èmi camera kò ní di camera ẹ yọ àbí kò yọ yín. Ṣé ń gbọ́? Ẹ wò Dàpọ̀ ò lè ṣe ẹni kí Yayi ṣe. Ẹ wò tí Dàpọ̀ bá ṣe a máa sọ fún Dàpọ̀ pé thank you. Ẹ wò a ní ọ̀nà. Àbí ànọ́nà wọn ṣe ni. Gbogbo ọ̀nà dídígádígá alówó wọn ṣọ̀nà wa ni. Adẹ̀ni mọ́tò mo ti ra èmi ló kọ́ president mọ́tò ẹ̀jọ̀ tó yẹ lọ ṣé kọ́mọ bá mi ti mọ́tò mi ni. Ẹ̀yin máa ń sì ní mọ́tò mi ti rí o. Wàhálà ti di. Ẹ̀yin máa ń sì ní mọ́tò mi ti rí o. Ẹ sọ fún Yayi pé kó wá bá wa ṣọ̀nà wa o. Àbí kí Dàpọ̀ bá wa ṣe o. Ẹni Dàpọ̀ dànù. Kó dànù. Ẹni kí Yayi bá wa ṣe o. Ó máa jáde. Fọ́kọ̀ báyìí ó máa jáde. Ó máa jáde. Kó bá wa ṣọ̀nà wa o. We get money na bad road. We get bad road. We get government. Ẹgbọ́n ẹ wò ẹ̀yin náà wò. Ẹni kí Yayi bá wa ṣe o. Tí Dàpọ̀ ò bá lè ṣe, kí Yayi ṣe. dàpọ̀ àbí kò dànù dídàpọ̀ ò bá lè ṣe kí Yayi kúkú ṣe o ẹ wo mọ́tò mi o èmi ló kọ́ mọ́tò dẹ́ ń bọ̀ láti Amẹ́ríkà báwo la ṣe máa ṣe. ẹ̀yin máa ń sìn mí ẹ bá ń sọ fún Yayi o wípé kí Yayi wá ṣọ̀nà wa o mo gbọ́ ń pé ẹ̀dọ́nà mo gbọ́ ń pé Yayi wá sí Ogun State Sango Ọ̀tàyànlógbó Òkè Ọ̀sà mọ̀ sílé ẹjọ́ ní kọ́ wá ṣọ̀nà wa Range Rover mi tún ti fẹ́ ó ti há o ẹjọ́ kọ́ máa fọmọ Amẹ́ríkà o ní Amẹ́ríkà mọ́tò ń dẹ́tì ẹ wo mo dẹ̀ ń gbé mi ló kọ́ mọ́tò bọ̀ Yayi kọ́ máa ń dún àwa ọ̀nà tí Dàpọ̀ ò bá lè ṣe Dàpọ̀ àbí kò dànù tí Dàpọ̀ ò bá lè ṣe ẹni kí Yayi ṣe o ṣẹ́ńgbọ́ téèyàn kan ò bá lè ṣe ẹni ẹ̀yìn ìyá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
ọ̀nà ń dá wà láàbò bí ó fà ẹ wá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ wá ṣọ̀nà wa
ẹ wo ọ̀nà ni ò dá a ní mọ́tò lógùn stéètì ọ̀nà ni ò dá ẹ wo ọ̀nà ni ò dá o ẹ má jò sọmọ ṣọ́ọ̀tì o Range Rover ni o wọ́n fún mi ní ẹ ṣàánú mi o Yayi òun ni next governor wa lógùn state ṣé ń gbọ́ ọ̀n lè ṣe ń di ẹ̀ ẹ sọ fún Dàpọ̀ wípé tí káwọn náà bá wa ṣọ̀nà yẹn kó tó ṣe tiwọn tán kó tó lò gbà wọn tán kó bá wa ṣọ̀nà tó bá dé lè ṣe kó jẹ́ kí Yayi ṣe ẹ fi Yayi lẹ̀ ṣé ń gbọ́ alówó lógùn state ọ̀nà wa ni ò jẹ́. ẹ bá ń sinmi tí ìyá ò bá tí ìjọ lówó àwọn olówó tó kú òní mọ̀ ẹ ọ̀nà Sunday ẹ gbàgbé ìyá ń jè mí náà olówó ni mí ẹ ọ̀nà màmí mọ́tò mi há mọ́tò mi ti há àwọn wọ́n fi wà jẹ wá we dey suffer ẹgbà etí ẹ̀ jẹ wálẹ̀ àwọn ó jì mí ni ẹ̀fọn rẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ ìyá mi ni wọ́n á kí mi ni Range Rover mi ti há sọ́nà àdúgbò wa this is Sango Road ọ̀nà ọ̀dà ẹ sọ fún Dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún kó bá wa ṣe àbí kí Yayi kó ṣe ẹ wo mọ́tò mi wọ́n fún mi ní ó bàjẹ́ lọ́nà mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbé jáde ni wọ́n rò pé mo ti tà kò tà kọ́ kò fi rà kọ́ o mọ́tò pọ̀ ọmọ ìyá mi ẹ̀yin máa ń sì mí ẹ bá mi gbé o wọ́n ṣọ̀nà wá ní ẹ wo Celebrity Road òun nìyẹn wọ́n nẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ṣọ̀nà ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣe wọ́n ní gbogbo owó dé ni Yayi ti ṣe ẹni kó ṣe Sango náà a máa dìbò fún wọn. ìyẹn ọ̀tọ̀ Yayi la dìbò fún. má gbàgbọ́ tí ìdìbò wa tó bá kì í ṣe ti Yayi o èèyàn yìí la fẹ́ o ẹ̀yin bọ́ọ̀sì mi mo ti dé Nàìjíríà ẹ wò mọ́tò mi ti rì wàhálà tó bá kì í ṣe Yayi èèyàn yìí la fẹ́ o. Dàpọ̀ àbí kò dànù Dàpọ̀ ò lè ṣe yìí ṣe Dàpọ̀ ò lè ṣe ẹni kí Yayi ṣe Yayi la fẹ́ ẹni kí Yayi ṣe.
So guys, after watching that video, you agree with me that Portable is actually right when he say that the government needs to do much more work in that state, Ogun State precisely. He says that the government are not actually doing their work, and I don't know what you think about that, guys. Because if you look at I mean, for that kind of area where we say it be like big people they live, still development never reached there. Our government really need to do work, and that is actually one of the reasons why Portable car drifted into that place. If you looked at the place where Portable car was drifted into, you realize that it was actually trying to cross before the car maybe kind of slided towards that direction. Also, guys, I don't know, but we know that Portable is the type that is not always careful. So aside that, our government actually needs to do work, to help the roads as well. Citizens get money, but the roads is not good enough for them to drive their cars, and this has actually been causing a lot of damages to people's vehicle. Let me know what you think about this whole issue, guys. Do you think Portable was on colos when this whole matter happened? Abi na just normal thing, say just dey see the way Portable dey sha, you go think say maybe na another thing dey involved sha. Let me know what you think about this video, guys. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. For now, I'm out.